Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my spaghetti sauce. And first thing we're going to do is prep our onions and our garlic and our tomatoes and our rosemary and thyme. Then we're going to get a large pot and we're going to put in about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Get that to a medium-high simmer. And go ahead and put your whole onion in there with some of your rosemary and thyme. About 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes on medium-low. Then we're going to throw in our garlic. And then our tomatoes. And now we're gonna go ahead and set the heat to medium-high, and let that simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna stir this occasionally. And go ahead and let it simmer down till the tomatoes start to break down. And when you see them starting to wilt back and break down a little bit, go ahead and add your Italian sausage. Now we're going to let that simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then add in some balsamic vinegar. And after about 8 to 10 more minutes on medium-high, we're going to start stirring it about every 5 minutes. And now we're going to add in our whole pieces of garlic and the rest of our rosemary and thyme. And after that, we're going to add in a few tablespoons of tomato paste to get a nice thick red sauce. And if it starts to get too thick, you can add in some stock. I put in some butter as well at the end. And go ahead and plate with your spaghetti noodles. I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on this. Try it out. And it's pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. Thanks guys.